Hello everyone and welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Donna and I'm a recent master's graduate from the Materials Science program from the University of Ontario Institute of Technology, also known as Ontario Tech University. So today we're going to go over some commonly asked questions in chemistry at the high school, college, and university level. So if you needed any help with homework or with tutoring, then check out the links in the description below. Now let's get started on our set of questions for today's session. Okay, so question 1 asks how many valence electrons do chlorine, bromine, and iodine have? Okay, so chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So let's look up these elements on the periodic table. Okay, so if we look at a periodic table, we'll see that all three of these elements, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, they're in the same group. So they're all in group 7A. So all of the elements in group 7A have 7 valence electrons. Excuse me. So for example, if we were to draw chlorine, it has the atomic number 19, I believe. That means if it was a neutral chlorine atom, then it would also have 19 electrons. So if we were to sketch out all of the electrons in these shells, we would have 2 in the inner shell, and then 8 in the next shell. So now we have 10 out of the 19. And then, actually, I think its atomic number is 17. Yeah, so it's 17. That makes more sense. I think its atomic mass is 19. Okay, so now I have 10 out of the 17. So I need to draw in 7 more. And we have 7 valence electrons in this shell. And if we were to compare it to fluorine, fluorine has an atomic number of 9. So similarly, we can sketch out what its atom may look like. Okay, so here's 7 valence electrons as well, except its atomic radius is much smaller than compared to chlorine's. Okay, so this is how all 3 of them all have 7 valence electrons. And the junior tutor said that valence electrons are the electrons found on the outermost shell of an element or ion. Also corresponds to the group number of the element on the periodic table. Therefore, for the following elements, chlorine, bromine, and iodine all have 7 valence electrons. So this solution is correct.